Welcome to Product Critique.
Today, we're talking about the best Last Nerve candle, the My Last Nerve Scented Candle by Mint Sugar Candle Co. If you're looking for a gift that's funny, functional, and perfect for anyone who might just need to laugh, then this candle is for you. Whether it's a birthday, an office gift, or just a way to lift someone's spirits, this candle delivers on humor and scent in the best way possible. Let's start with the look of this candle. Packaged in a sleek glass jar with a simple aluminum lid, this 9-ounce candle has a modern yet cozy design. The label features a witty phrase, "My Last Nerve," making it clear that this is not just a candle, but a statement piece that will spark conversations. It's the ideal gag gift for friends, coworkers, or family who could use a little stress relief with a smile. Now, let's talk about the scent. This candle is infused with the delightful aroma of berry champagne, a sweet and bubbly fragrance that is perfect for adding a touch of cheer to any room. Imagine the gentle scent filling your space, offering a subtle reminder to relax, unwind, and not take life too seriously. This candle isn't just a pretty face, it's made from all-natural soy wax. The clean-burning soy wax means you can enjoy this candle without worrying about harmful toxins in the air. The cotton wick ensures an even burn, giving you hours of stress-relieving, berry-scented bliss. Plus, the fact that it's hand-poured with love by skilled artisans in the USA adds that personal touch that really makes it stand out from the crowd of mass-produced candles. Whether you're gifting it for someone who's always on edge or treating yourself after a long day, the My Last Nerve candle is sure to be a hit. It's the perfect combination of humor, luxury, and practicality. You get a top-quality candle that delivers a great scent and a good laugh all at once. This is the kind of gift that makes a lasting impression, and it's sure to be appreciated every time it's lit. So, if you're ready to put a smile on someone's face or add a little fun to your home decor, the My Last Nerve Scented Candle by Mint Sugar Candle Company should definitely be on your shopping list. Make sure to grab yours now and let the laughs begin. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more fun and insightful reviews here at Product Critique.